Very good morning to the respected management, respected principal ma'am, respected vice principal ma'am, my dear teachers, respected parents and my lovely kids. A very good morning to all of you. As you all know that the world is suffering from the COVID-19 pandemic and it has rattled the world and the imprints are still visible across the world amid the vaccine rollout. So all these situations has forced all of us to stay at home in quarantine. But all of this cannot dampen the spirit and the pride of the Biagians. So today we are here to celebrate the 72nd Republic Day with a special assembly with the dedicated efforts of the teachers and the students. I, Akriti, your host of today, welcome you in this special assembly. We celebrate the Republic Day on 26th of January every year to remember the Constitution of India, the day it was applied. So here we are to celebrate this very important day. As you all know that no festival or no occasion can be started without the remembrance of the Almighty. So I request all of you to stand at your place with your back erect, join your hands properly, close your eyes and sing along the prayer, Showers of Blessings. What a beautiful recitation. Now let's move ahead with the pledge. Pledge means an oath to fulfill our duties. So let's take a bow with Rishabh Sehgal of class 7th B. I request all the students to to stretch your right arm. Keep your arm straight and aligned with your shoulder. Make sure your thumb and your fingers are joined like this. And take the pledge after Rishabh.
India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians are my brothers and sisters.
All Indians are my brothers and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country.
And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage.
And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage.
I shall always strive.
I shall always strive
to be worthy of it.
To be worthy of it.
I shall respect my parents.
I shall respect my parents,
teachers,
teachers,
and all elders,
and all elders,
and treat with courtesy.
and treat everyone with courtesy.
To my country
To my country
and all my people,
and all my people,
I pledge my devotion.
I pledge my devotion.
In their well-being
In their well-being
and prosperity alone
and prosperity alone
lies my happiness.
lies my happiness.
Jai Hind!
Jai Hind!
Good and inspiring thought can inspire our day. Reading a good thought every morning can fuel us, which keeps us encouraging throughout the day. So to inspire us, here comes Aveline Kaur of class 6th B with the thought.
Freedom in mind, faith in words, pride in our heart, memories in our soul. Let us salute the nation on Republic Day. Thank you.
My dear students, I am very sure that you must be interested in knowing very few facts, the unknown facts about the Constitution of India and why this day is so important for all of us. So here comes Parmeet of class 9th B for a speech in which he is going to tell you a lot of interesting facts about this special day.
Greetings to everyone. I wish a happy and cheerful morning to our honorable members of school management, principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, teachers and my dear schoolmates. I, Parmeet from grade 9th, welcome you all to commemorate 72nd Republic Day of our country. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th Jan, the day when the Constitution of India came into effect. I am proud to be a citizen of India, which ensures the fundamental rights of every citizen, as right to equality, freedom, culture, religion, education, etc. On this auspicious occasion, let us all bow our heads for the great Indian freedom fighters and the leaders for their tireless efforts. Due to these brave heroes, we are living a happy life today. They did this so that their future generation can be free from the shackles of slavery and lead the country ahead. It has been possible just because of them that we are able to think and live in our nation freely without anybody's force. This is the occasion to reaffirm our commitment to unity in fraternity, development, and in equality among our citizens. We should understand our responsibilities as a citizen of India, and we should take all these steps to make our country free from the problems like terrorism, inequality, corruption, etc. Now I would like to end my speech with some beautiful lines. बस ये बात हवाओं को बताए रखना, रोशनी होगी चिरागों को जगाए रखना, लहू देकर हिफाजत की जिसकी शहीदों ने, उस तिरंगे को सदा अपने दिलों में बसाए रखना. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
Thank you, Parmeet, for these wonderful words. Now, one cannot imagine the celebration of the Republic Day without the singing of the patriotic song. The song depicts the greatness and the beauty of our country in heart-touching words. So here is a school choir to lift our spirit in the melodious voice. So let us welcome with a group song Yashi of class 6, Kuldeepak class 8th, Prabnoor of class 8th, Mishti of class 8th, Ashna of class 8th, Ayushi class 8th, Arshia of class 9th and Mannat of class 9th with the song O Dharti Ke Lal.
धरती के लाल pa dha sa ga 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 dha pa dha ma ga re 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 ma ga ma pa dha pa ma ga re sa अपने जन अपने साधन से अपने तन मन धन जीवन से अपने जन अपने साधन से अपने तन मन धन जीवन से गाऊंगी जय जयकार में नूतन प्राण भरो नूतन प्राण भरो निर्माण करो नव निर्माण करो ओ धरती के लाल ओ धरती के लाल नव निर्माण करो नव निर्माण करो धरा को स्वर्ग समान करो ओ धरती के लाल ओ धरती के गान भरो तुम नव गान
That was indeed a delightful performance. Now I'm very sure that there is one item about which we all are very excited. Yes, that is group dance. Dances helps us to understand the art form and the culture of India. So here comes a group dance with the students Adit class 5, Path class 7, Manat class 9th, Aryan class 5 and Frene of class 7th with their group dance performance.
वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां शस्य श्यामला मातरम् वन्दे 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 मातरम् वन्दे
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तान। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तान। हमने कहा है तुम भी कहो, हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो।
Now I would like to request our principal madam, Mrs. Sarita Mehta, to say a few words and inspire and guide us and tell us the importance of this special day. So I would like to request Madam Principal to say a few words.
A very warm good morning to parents and dear students. I congratulate and convey my best wishes on the occasion of Republic Day of our wonderful nation. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar gave us a permanent constitution on Jan 26, 1950 after tireless work of 2 years, 11 months and 18 days with his committee members. On Jan 26, 1950, India became a republic nation. For this, a number of patriots laid down their lives. To crown the sacrifices of innumerable freedom fighters, it is highly inevitable to uphold rich values, traditions, and cherish our unique culture. Dear students, let us celebrate our 72nd Republic Day by having a glimpse on our leaps towards science and technology. Students, you might be knowing that we are the nation to reach Mars in minimum budget and 4th world space-faring nation. Our Mission Shakti is completely indigenous anti-satellite missile We have become the largest producer of milk, jute, millets and many more products. Make in India concept represents our courage, stamina, tenacity and wisdom. We have the highest number of youth in the world. Students, you might be thinking, why to share all this with you on this day? Just with the view in the mind that you take a pledge on this day to contribute to the development of your country. Just with the view in the mind that you set up your goal of getting committed to some social cause along with making a stand of yourself when you grow up. Dear students, you are the potential of the country. You are the might. You are the force. You are the power. I urge all of you to turn your potential into achievement of your country. To trade your expectations for appreciation and to bring changes at the global level by inculcating values of self-discipline, honesty and hard work. Students, you might think, how to do that? Don't be afraid of your fears. Yes, I would say, never be afraid of your fears. Positive thinking, keep positive thinking. As positive thinking sees the invisible, feels the intangible, and can achieve the impossible. I would reaffirm by the poetic lines what I said. कर्म करो तो फल मिलता है, कर्म करो तो फल मिलता है, आज नहीं तो कल मिलता है। जितना गहरा अधिक हुआ, जितना गहरा अधिक हुआ, उतना मीठा जल मिलता है। रहा संघर्ष की जो चलता है, रहा संघर्ष की जो चलता है, वो ही संसार को बदलता है। जिसने रातों से जंग जीती है, जिसने रातों से जंग जीती है, सूर्य बनकर वही निकलता है, सूर्य बनकर वही निकलता है। कामना करती हूँ कि आप में से हर बच्चा सूर्य बने। मेरे साथ बोलेंगे, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Thank you, Madam Principal, for your kind words. Now we have reached at the end of this assembly. I'm sure you must have had a lot of fun in this virtual celebration. Now, it is the prime duty of every citizen to be respectful to our country. So it is a time to utilize our 52 seconds for the world's best national anthem. Yes, it is a time for the national anthem, which is the heart of every Indian. So here are the students with the national anthem.
मन मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा भूजल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
May the tricolor always fly high. Thank you all very much for being a part of this celebration. Have a cheerful day. Proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind.